What's up, guys? John B. Today I brought you out to the river in Juliette, Georgia. Coming here to take a few pictures. Memorial Day weekend coming out. It's probably gonna be a little busy out here, but I want to get a few shots before it gets too crowded. I'm shooting with the 100-400 lens today. You got the old grist mill over there. I actually say it's haunted back in the day. And I had to come find a different spot to get a picture at. Just a different view of the mill here. And we got the Old Muggy River in Juliette, Georgia. And I don't know if how many of you seen fried green tomatoes. This is the home of fried green tomatoes. And this is the dam right here they walked across in the movie. So, yeah. Then some movie called Baby Driver. I never saw the movie, but it was recorded on that bridge there. And also The Return of Macon County was recorded here. And I found this little spot in the river here. It's a shallow spot. Got some limbs built up. Be nice if there were some turtles on it, but none out here right now. And I don't know if you can see on the GoPro, but got birds out here diving into the water trying to get the little fish out. Try to get another picture here of the bridge with all the stuff in the foreground also. Kind of got a haze out here. I got another spot on a bridge here. Got a little curve in the road. Try to get all that. Heading across the bridge now. It's a nice bridge because I got this walking lane here, bike lane. That's where we're at.